Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Myself Arindam and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company, and today we'll be discussing on section 55 of the Companies Act, that is the issue and redemption of preference shares. So the meaning of issue and redemption of preference shares explained below under the Companies Act 2013. The issue of preference shares is one of the most important sources of a capital of an income. Redemption is the process of repaying an obligation at the predetermined amounts and timings. The redeemable preference shares are issued on the terms that shareholders will at a future date be repaid, issues and redemption of preference shares. The company cannot issue irredeemable preference shares or redeemable preference shares with a redemption period beyond 20 years. Now, what is the exceptions? Issues and redemption of preference shares by company in infrastructure projects. Rule 10 states that a company engaged in setting up and dealing with of infrastructural projects may issue preference shares for a period exceeding 20 years but not exceeding 30 years, subject to the redemption of a minimum 10% of preference shares per year from the 21st year onwards or earlier on proportionate basis at the option of the preference shareholders. Now, what are the conditions? The basic conditions for redemption of preference shares. Now, we all know about the shares, share market, the NSE, the National Stock Exchange. So in that particular places, this particular sales share thing is going on, or this goes on. So redemption of preference shares are basically dealt with on this particular place or on different places, but mainly on this particular place. So the conditions for redemption of preference shares, what we are talking about. So the fully paid up preference shares can only be redeemed. So the fully paid preference shares, those shares which are fully paid, they can only be redeemed. Preference shares can be redeemed only out of the profits available for distribution to its shareholders or out of fresh proceeds of shares issued solely for the purpose of funding the redemption of the preference shares. Now, if any premium is payable on redemption, it must be paid out of the profits or out of the company's securities premium account. Where the redemption of a preference shares are redeemed out of the profits available for distribution, a sum equivalent to the nominal amount of shares being redeemed shall be transferred to the capital redemption reserve. The CRR shall be treated as the paid up share capital of the company for all purposes and can only be and also be utilized for bonus issue of shares. Notice of redemption of preference shares shall be filed with registrar in the form number SH7. So redemption of preference shares shall not be taken as reducing the amount of its authorized capital. Where the company is unable to redeem its preference shares or is unable to pay the dividend due on the preference shares, the company can replace issues such amount of preference shares as may be necessary in order to meet its obligations towards dividend payment and also redemption of preference shares. Redemption of preference shares by issuing new preference shares is subjected to obtaining the consent of the preference shareholders, at least 75% of the shareholders, and also by obtaining the approval of the tribunal for such arrangements. The tribunal shall order the company to immediately redeem the preference shares held by the shareholders dissenting to such arrangements. The issue of preference shares shall be for purpose of redemption of unredeemed preference shares along with the dividend shall not be considered as an increase in the share capital of the company. The capital redemption reserve account may, notwithstanding anything in this section, be applied by the company in paying up an unissued share of the company to be issued to members of the company as fully paid bonus shares. So this was all about redemption of preference shares. Now we also had a talk about the issues. So there is a way to issue a preference share, and that was given in the notice of redemption of preference shares shall be filed with registrar in the form HS7. So this is the particular form which will be needed for the putting up a notice of redemption of preference shares. So this is the particular form you need to get in for redemption of a preference share. So that is all about companies law of section 55, the issue and preferences of redemption share. That is all about today's video. Thank you for watching Lex Click. Please do subscribe to our channel.